Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to clean evaporator without removing it. We use this AC cleaner and high pressure washer. At the same time, we also clean the condenser in the front and also the blower. So let's go. First thing first, we remove the glue box. Also, we remove the cabin filter. Okay. Resistor block, we remove also this one. So once we open this resistor block, we can see the evaporator downstairs. So we have to unclip this one. Okay. And also we remove the blower pump. We clean also the blower. It's the whole package: blower, condenser, and the evaporator. I'm gonna check the location using my special tools, small camera, to identify the position of the evaporator. So you can see. So I'm gonna attach this one to the special hose. We're going to use this one, AC cleaner. See? So we're gonna leave 20 minutes. The condenser in the front is usually always behind the grill. So we're gonna use the pressure washer to clean this one. Ito, lalagyan na natin dyan. Ayan yung camera niya. Ito yung pinaka-camera niya. Ayan, kita nyo, bula-bula. Bula-bula. balik na natin itong blower. Linis ng blower. Connect muna natin. Connector ng resistor block. Testing na natin yung ating nilinis. Saka natin clutch. So buksan natin yung aircon. Auto. Lagyan muna natin siya sa 23. Nag-auto yun eh. So ito na yung aking mahiwagang thermometer. Tingnan natin kung ano yung lamig niya. So full blast ng panig. Balik natin sa dati. Digital lang kasi ito, kaya ilagay natin siya sa kalahati lang. Tapos yung thermostat niya sa 20. The air conditioning cleaning result is extremely good. Blowing air is far better than before. So I would like to say thanks to everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Ciao for now.